Hey guys, it's Ivy and welcome to the coupon count. This video is for Thursday, starting off with our 5 off 25. And I have some deals that you could do now that are very epic deals you could do now. They are under $3. Okay, so let's go. Okay, two big Soleils. Now, get the ones for $3.30. These are the only ones for 5. So what I'm gonna do now is I'm just gonna use this for my deal. Okay, that's it. Okay, you're gonna grab two Vaselines. The deal is you buy $6 worth of Vaseline and you'll get $2 off. Plus we're gonna use a $2 coupon. Two Mucinex at $5.50 a piece. One Cottonelle at $5, the 12 pack. And one Scott at $5 the 12 pack. Okay, 5 packs of big pens at $1. So there you go, 5 packs, okay? Okay, for this deal, you should have two of these, but it's gonna be the one at $3.30, not the one for 5, okay? So you're gonna get two of these, but the ones for $3.30. That's the ones you're gonna get. Two Vaseline at $3.50. Two Mucinex at $5.50. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 big at $1 each. One Cottonelle and one Scott. Okay, then you're gonna clip your 5 off 25, your $1 off Scott, your $1 off Cottonelle. Oh, and don't forget your snuggle for 15 cents to renew it. And you're gonna grab your one snuggle. Okay, for 15 cents off, so it's 85 cents. So if you want to grab that, you can. Okay. Okay, you're gonna use two of the big coupons, the razors. Two of the $4 coupons, they come from the Smart Source 110. Then you're going to use two of the Vaseline from the Retail Me Not 13. Two of the Mucinex from the Smart Source 13. Two of the big stationery products, Smart Source 110. That total is going to come up to $39.30 out of pocket. You should be paying between $2.30 and $3.30. Okay, that's a good deal. Let's go. Okay, the next deal we're gonna do two big Soleil razors. Remember, you want to do the big razors because they are giving you 70%, 70 cent overs. You need to get the big. That's $3.30. I picked these up just to have something there in place for you guys. Okay. Then you want one Cottonelle and one Scott. Two big pens at $1 a piece. Two Mucinex. Okay, this should come between 26 and $27. And if it does, this is what you're going to use. All papers, two digitals, $1 off Cottonelle, $1 off your Scott, the $5 off the Mucinex, two of them, two $4 off Bics, and one $2 off Big Stationery. Let's see what we got that down to, guys. These is great deals. I am so excited. $2.60. $2.60. So that's your second deal. Okay. Okay, let's go do a laundry deal, guys. This laundry deal is going to be very easy. Do it if you want to, because I'm using a coupon that it goes. It's a tie, but you could use it if you want to use the coupon. Okay. So the next one is going to be two Tide liquids. Two Tide liquids. Okay. Two Tide liquids. They are the 37 ounces. Okay, you're gonna get four big pen stationery products. Four big razors. Make sure they're the ones for $3.30. And two Mucinex. Two Mucinex. Okay, that's the third deal. That is the third deal. This came up to $31.50 right here. You're going to use two of the Tide $3 Tides P and G January. Two of the $4 Big Razor coupon. Two of the big stationery coupon and two of the Mucinex coupons, okay? Get a good look at that. Make sure you check your app. Make sure you clip your 5 off 25. Make sure you scan everything before you get it. And after you've done all that, you should come up with $2.50 now. The reason why I said, well, $3.50 now, because I added the Mucinex on to get it up to $25. Okay, so it went actually over $25. But if without the Mucinex, you'll be paying $2.50. It's a bonus deal. That's a bonus deal. But if you want to use your 5 off 25, add the 2 Mucinex on, and you should pay $3.50 instead of $2.50. Okay. Okay, let's grab one Airwick. All the Airwicks are on sale, all of them. So you can grab either one. I grab this one. It's $1.50 off digital coupon, or you have $1.50 off paper coupon that you could use, okay? Okay, now this is a bonus deal. You're going to do 2 big at $1 each. Okay, 2 big Soleils at $3.30 and 1 Airwick at $3.35. Okay, the coupons you're going to use is one of the $2 off bigs right there, 2 of the $4 off those big Soleil razors, the ones for $3.30, and 1 of the Airwicks. Make sure you look at that good. Okay. Okay, this is a do now deal. This is a do now deal. This deal, after you use all the coupons and got the correct stuff, bam, 45 cents out of pocket, guys. 45 cents out of pocket. That's what you're spending on this deal. And that ain't even it. I got another deal for you that's cheaper than that. So let's go to that one. And then stay tuned, because I got some bonus coupons for you. Okay, you're gonna do 2 bigs and $1 a piece. Big stationery. 2 big Soleil razors at $3.30. These are not it. Get the ones for $3.30. I don't know how much I can stress that. $3.30, because you need the 70-cent overage. The Mucinex at $5.50. 1 Airwick at $3.30. 2 Vaselines at $3.50, I think, or $3.65, one of them. You want to use one of these big stationaries, Smart Source 110. Only one. 2 of these big Soleil razors at $4. Okay, so this is what you want to do. 1 of these, 2 of these, 2 of these, 2 of these Mucinex, and 1 Airwick. That should bring you up to $27.95. Look at that, what I got. $27.95. After you use your 5 off 25 and all your digitals, and all your paper coupons, we're not using any digitals. Look, guys, negative. So you should be negative one of these, $1.95 or $2.55, covered. I would grab a tissue because it's $1 coupon. If you grab a tissue at $5, use that $1 off digital, you should pay $1.45 out of pocket. But that's your negative, that's your bonus deal. Stay tuned, because I got more. Okay, confirmed by me today. These $2 Huggies, working on the white pack of Huggies in the dollar aisle, giving you $1 overage. This is FYI, okay, that's all it is. The Cold Ease, the one for $3.50. If you use this $4 off coupon that expires on 16, give you 50-cent overage. It did not work for me, but it still worked for other people. So maybe it was just the store I was at that day. Confirmed by me. See this, Russell Stover's? The one piece of candy, the coconut one, is $2. It's giving you $1.66 overage. So if you got a good fairy in your store, you got a good one, use it, okay? And of course, you all should know by now that these are giving you $1.02 overage, $2 off the Docolex. And the 50-cent Oreos, buy 2 packs. This is confirmed in Dollar General. It's working. Guys, of course, I do not force you to use any coupons. When a glitch stopped working, it stopped working. If a coupon do not work, it does not work. I tried coupons one time, went back, didn't work for me. Went to another store, it worked. Please don't drop me a comment and say you told me to use that coupon and it didn't work. Especially if it's a coupon that is a glitch coupon. Okay, glitches are just what they are. They work sometimes they do not. They'll catch the glitch, it'll stop working. Okay, make sure you guys hit like, subscribe, share my channel, and enjoy. Okay guys, let's go through what I got right quick. So I got 2 Mucinex tonight. This is what I got. I got 1 Airwick, 5 of the Bix, and 2 Vaselines. Now, without my $5 coming off for $5.25, which this actually came up to $26 and something. I paid $8 out of pocket. And let me tell you why I paid $8 out of pockets, guys. She did not take my other $2 off the Vaseline and gave it to me, and she gave it to me in cash. Okay, I understand that, but next time I'm gonna need you to take that off. So if she would have took my other $2 off, that would have put me down to $6. And then if it would have been on a Saturday, they would have took the $5 off. Then I would have paid $1 out of pocket for all of this. Okay, not as good as the 45-cent one or the one for less than, but that was still a good deal. I hope you all enjoyed this. Hit like, subscribe, share this channel, guys. We're in Dollar General, 5 off 25, and do now.